In today's video, I'm wanting to teach you how to add an email sign-up form to your Squarespace website. By the end, you'll have a clean professional newsletter form on your site and know exactly what to write so visitors feel confident subscribing. Start by opening the page on your site where you want the form to appear and enter edit mode. Choose the section where a sign-up makes the most sense for your visitors, often near the top of a homepage, in a blog sidebar, or at the end of a services page, so people encounter it naturally while browsing. Now, add the form. Click Add block in the spot you've selected. This opens Squarespace's block library, which includes everything from images to buttons. To quickly find the email form, use the search field and type New. This is the fastest way to surface the newsletter block without scrolling through the entire list. Select Newsletter. A default sign-up block will appear on the page with placeholder text. It's fully functional right away, but the next few edits will make it feel on brand and compelling. Open the block settings by clicking the pencil icon. This is where you'll control the content and presentation of your sign-up form. Start with the title. Keep it short, clear, and benefit focused. Instead of something vague, aim for a promise or outcome your audience cares about, like Get Design Tips Weekly or Join Our Product Updates. Titles that are specific and action-oriented tend to convert better and are easier to scan on mobile. Next, edit the description. Use one or two concise sentences to set expectations and reduce friction. Explain what subscribers will receive, how often they'll hear from you, and why it's valuable. For example, you might say you share tutorials every Tuesday, behind-the-scenes updates, or early access to launches. If you can, include a gentle reassurance about privacy, such as unsubscribe anytime. Keep the language friendly and honest. Overpromising can hurt trust and lead to unsubscribes. As you fine-tune the copy, read it aloud to check clarity and flow. Aim for plain language, short phrases, and a conversational tone. If your brand voice is playful or formal, reflect that here so the form feels consistent with the rest of your site. When the title and description look good, review the form on the page to ensure it fits visually with your layout and doesn't compete with other elements. A little breathing room around the block helps it stand out. That's it. You clicked Add Block, searched New, chose Newsletter, opened the pencil icon, and polished the title and description. You now have a focused, effective email sign-up form ready to start capturing subscribers.